Getting a birthday card this week was singer Sophie Choudhury, who turned 34 on February 8th. On the 9th, actress Amrita Singh rang in her 58th, and Aashiqui star Rahul Roy hit 48. On the 11th, angry Indian goddess and musician Anushka Manchanda turned 32, and so did controversy queen Sherilyn Chopra. Former actress Tina Munim Ambani rang in her 59th, and talented actor-filmmaker Rajat Kapoor hit 55. On the 12th, Polish-German model and Kya Cool 3 starlet Claudia Ciesla turned 29. On the 13th, actor Shahid Kapoor rang in his 40th. So which actor's career took off after playing a villain in Maine Pyar Kiya? That's Monish Bell, who turns 55 on February 14th. A once-upon-a-time model became an overnight hero when she saved hundreds of lives during the 1980s hijacking of Pan Am Flight 73 at Karachi Airport. Sonam Kapoor, known more for her style statements than her heroism, stars as flight attendant Neerja Bhanot in this spine-chilling biopic.
I was excited that they were doing something. Shanti was like, you're always looking for scripts and you're always telling us that you're not getting the right scripts that I want to do. And so they were like, we just got this and we just wanted you. This is tailor-made for you. You need to do this role. And I heard the story and I was like, you're absolutely right. This is something that I should do.
And considering Neerja Bhanot, got so much of respect globally, she was awarded by US government, Indian government, Pakistan government.
Yes.
And it is definitely a big responsibility portraying her character.
Yes.
So what made you decide to take up this role?
Because I think she can be an inspiration in this day and age also to young people, like she was in 1986, I feel like she's always going to be young because she died so young. And I feel like the youth identifies with martyrs who died young because her death should be an example of saying that sometimes being a hero and doing the right thing might save a lot of lives and might have a positive impact. So just imagine the amount of lives she affected and the kind of inspiration she had on people. And I wanted to be a part of that story. I wanted to somehow inspire young people as well. And hopefully by playing her, I can do that.
Talking about cinema, when we portray real characters, sometimes we do take creative liberties. So what amount of creative liberties are taken in this film?
Not much at all. We're very close to the family, to Anish and Akhil, and to Rama auntie. And unfortunately, Harish uncle had passed away, so I couldn't meet him. But I met Rama auntie, and she also unfortunately passed away recently. But we took as much from the family and from the friends and from the witness accounts and stuff like that as much as we could and made it real. I mean, there's a reason that all three governments involved in this flight gave her an award for bravery and for kindness. It's because she did what she had to do. She did her duty and she did her job.
Hands up! All up!
आप अपने हाथ नीचे कर।
Go! No hands down!
अगर ये शांत रहेंगे और आपके साथ कोऑपरेट करेंगे, इनको तसल्ली मिलेगी, तो आपका ही काम आसान जाएगा। सुनिए, please put your hands down.
I remember you spoke about Anish, so we shared that when Sonam came to our house for the first time, so he mentioned that Neerja Bhanot's mother,
Rama auntie,
she said, this is Neerja. Was it like that?
Yes, that's true.
So how was your experience meeting the family of Neerja?
It was really lovely. It was very, very lovely actually, because I realized that they're regular, normal people who've had to face a serious loss in their life. And she was very loved, Neerja. And it was really humbling for me that despite the fact that she was loved, the family thought that I could play this character and I could play this role.
ये
And talking about your experience of working with Shabana Azmi and Shekhar.
Shekhar, I think this is his first film. It's just a cameo, it's a small appearance. He's wonderful in the film, and Shabana auntie is playing Rama auntie's character. And there's something very maternal about Shabana auntie, especially towards me, and I think that gets translated on screen as well, because I have the same feeling towards her. So it's quite wonderful. It was an amazing experience.
मॉडलिंग इतनी अच्छी चल रही तेरी, ये एयर होस्टेस का जॉब छोड़ क्यों नहीं देती? I like my job.
जयदीप, I miss you.
Considering Ram Madhwani ji has won many awards.
Yes, we were both convinced in our roles. I think it was very organic, and I have a lot of respect and admiration for Ram, and I feel like after this film, there will come a point where everybody will want to work with him. Then I'll be like, Ram, see, I worked with you first now.
इसकी कुंडली में लिखा था कुल का दीपक बनेगी ये।